What's up, my brothers? This is your brother Wasil Bay, and we are Shamstoppers. We reserve all our rights, waive none. Appreciate everybody for stopping by in the motherfucking podcast. I'm gonna do this video, mommy duties versus fiduciary duties, and how your baby mama switched positions when you granted her that child support, or when her trustee granted her that. You know, she went from fiduciary to beneficiary, all right? Especially when she receives those payments. So let's break it down. A fiduciary, right? What's a fiduciary? Involving trust, especially with regard to the relationship between a trustee and a beneficiary. This is the state, the people who she fuck with, right? And the beneficiary, right? Okay. Hold up. Here we go. You ready for this? Child support payments are trust fund payments, but for different reasons, paid child support is different from paid wages. In case under the Bankruptcy Act, the Ninth Circuit held that where state law provides that child support payments are held by the custodial parent in a fiduciary capacity. See? Such funds do not become property of the estate because child support payments ain't nothing but gifts, aka donations. Y'all gotta understand that, man. Right? And if you listen to some idiots talking about appointing a judge as a trustee, guess what? He gonna be taking money out of your shit because you ain't competent enough to handle your own fucking affairs, your own personal lives, your own personal fucking business. Okay? Be careful for these idiots out here telling you that dumbass shit. But anyway, now this is a trustee, right? What is a trustee? An individual person who can be the judge, the agency, or a member of the board given control. Okay, a board. What kind of board? Right? Or powers of administration of property. Administration, right? Child support is administrative law, right? Here you go. They're telling on themselves right here. And the trust with a legal obligation to administer it solely for the purposes specified, right? Okay. So the trustee is who, fellas? The people who fucking with you begging for money, but deceiving you, throwing you in jail and all that, right? Now we finna get to the meat and potatoes in this motherfucker. Grantor. This is you, fellas. Baby, can you tell me who these people is?
Grantor.
Can you tell me the niggas who signed their paperwork for her to be the beneficiary?
Grantor.
Yeah, they sure did do that shit. You know what I mean? A person or institution that makes a grant or conveyance. So when you sign something, fellas, you gonna be conveying all of your shit to that hoe. All right? And them hoe ass motherfuckers who helped them. Right? You see how simple I broke this shit down? It can't get no simpler than this. I bet a nigga won't debate me on no shit. We gonna focus on this word too. We finna get down to some shit. Let me see which one it is. Here we go. Y'all see this shit? Candor. Let me zoom in a little bit more. This one from last night, fellas. I want y'all to see this. Candor. A lawyer shall not knowingly, I like number one, make a false statement of fact or law to a tribunal or fail to correct a false statement of material fact or law previously made to the tribunal by the lawyer. Fail to disclose to the tribunal legal authority in the controlling jurisdiction. I love this one too. Known to the lawyer to be directly adverse to the position of the client and not disclosed by the opposing counsel. Offer evidence. Look at that shit, fellas. This is right here. This is the meat and the potatoes right here, fellas, right here. A lawyer who represents a client in an adjudicative proceeding and knows that the person intends to engage, is engaging, or has engaged in criminal or fraudulent, your baby mama and criminal, that's her, conduct relating to proceedings shall take reasonable remedial measures, including, if necessary, to disclose to the tribunal. Now, I'm going to tell y'all something. Your baby mama, when she signed that application, what she did was she not only forged your name, she put you as a what? She already put you as an obligor, and she implied that you was an obligor because she's the original obligor, right? So, fellas, y'all, man, come on now. Candor. what? The quality of being open and honest in expression. So they can be honest on their own expression, but they're not gonna come out and tell the truth. Right? I want the truth. Fuck honesty, my nigga. Hold up. Okay, check this out. Special responsibilities of a prosecutor. A prosecutor in a criminal case shall refrain from prosecuting a charge that the prosecutor knows is not supported by probable cause. So, what is the probable cause for child support? If you get rid of any of their contracts, they can't get mad and throw you in jail. They can only throw you in jail, my nigga, when you signed it and you ain't doing nothing and you going along with it and you doing hissy fits and all that stupid ass shit. Right? Look at all this shit, man. Y'all see that? I like G2. When a prosecutor knows of new, credible, and material evidence creating a reasonable likelihood that a convicted defendant did not commit an offense of which the defendant was convicted, the prosecutor shall promptly disclose the evidence to an appropriate court or authority, and if the conviction was obtained by the prosecutor's jurisdiction, promptly disclose evidence to the defendant unless a court authorizes delay. Undertake further investigation or make reasonable efforts to cause an investigation to determine whether the defendant was convicted of an offense that the defendant did not commit. Y'all see that shit? Look, when a prosecutor knows of clear and convincing evidence establishing that a defendant in the prosecutor's jurisdiction was convicted of an offense that the defendant did not commit, the prosecutor shall seek to remedy the conviction. Y'all see that shit, man? That shit is right in your face. When they know you ain't did nothing, they know they ain't got no... Like most of these guys that's been dying, there was one guy that was, executed. Did nobody help him bring up... Did nobody request for the evidence? I bet you 9 times out of 10 and they knew. So if somebody lie on Brother Wasil, tell some false shit, you better have it on camera, my nigga. You better have that shit on camera. If you don't, I'm gonna kill you. Real talk. If y'all ain't got that mindset, my nigga, y'all gonna be getting a lot of dick in your ass. So, look, hit us up, man. Child support is poo-poo. Alright? Hit us up. And if you don't want these services, guess what? Go read you some books, my nigga. Go read you some books. Ain't nobody else gonna tell you this on YouTube. Go read you some books. Right? We got a lot of pussy ass niggas that can't read out here and pretending they can teach child support. Hit us up, man. We the real motherfuckers on here. Ass whoopings come with that too. Peace.